welcome back to my channel Daily English Talk. And today also I have no topic in my mind, but I open my camera and I talk five minutes with you. And if you are clicking in this video for learning new things, you definitely learn new things. But I suggest you, if you click this video for learning English and related to English, but maybe you learn. But in firstly I say time is very precious. You have time, so you watch this video. Otherwise you skip this video and go for another video. I but I promise you, instead of watching random video, please watch this video. You can definitely add value in your life. Okay, so let's start the video. So guys, I how I have no type in I have no topic in my mind, but I try to speak without preparation, without topic, and without in my mind how I can speak 5 minutes. If 5 minutes 5 minutes, how I can speak 5 minutes without stuck. And I try to speak 5 minutes in English language. I have no topic, but I try to speak 5 minutes in 5 minutes. I try to speak 5 minutes English, in English language. So guys, time is very precious. I already said time is very precious. So instead of using instead of wasting time, we can learn. We can use our time uh, effectively and productively. So we practice. We are not practice. We are time pass, but we time pass in English. We are time pass, but we are not time pass. We are wasting time, but we are not wasting time. You know what I try to say? You understand what I try to say? We are waste time, but we are not waste time. Why? Because we are wasting time to recording video, but while we try to learn English. So you can thought how to use time, you like in example, you eat and you not eat like that. So how to use time wisely? So okay, so what I have no topic, but if you watch this time also you watch then video, please comment what you are what you think. Then you click in this video if you thought I learn anything, and if you are only see my thumbnail and you are clicking this video. So please comment please comment what you see, and then click in this video. Why you are clicking in this video? You think I learned something new and you only click. So you only scroll YouTube videos and scroll, and you are find English related content to improve English speaking like that. So enjoy your day, enjoy your day. Keep learning, keep going, and keep interesting. Life is very short. Life is very short. Life is very valuable. Life is very precious, guys. So keep enjoy your life, and keep learning in your life, and don't waste your time to scrolling reels and anything. Learn new thing and enjoy your life, um, and and spend time with your friends, and spend time with your family, and keep going, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep studying, guys, because study is most important in life. Without study you cannot do anything. Without study you cannot achieve anything. So study. And if you find this video is helpful, for please like, and I already say please comment why you are clicking in this video. So video, I will end this video. Let's keep learning, keep going, and tata, bye bye. I will meet next video. Okay, guys.